Yo guys, what is up? We are on a hike. Me and my girlfriend, we're on a hike right now called Horse Thief Trails. And I guess it's like a waterfall, like watering hole area, and we can go swim and stuff. I thought we should bring you along for the journey because I've never been here, so I believe it's gonna be really cool. We'll see. But anyway, let's go on a hike and see what we got. Let's go. Whoa, a snake! What? Hold it. Oh, I almost caught him.
A snake?
Yeah.
You sure he's not poisonous?
No. But I'm like, oh, there he is. See his head?
Oh, shit, wait, I wouldn't.
Guys, we just found the watering hole. It's actually way bigger than I thought it was. Check this out. Whoa. Wow, that's sick.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me.
Is it cold?
Send me. Darling, you.
Hey, baby. Little peppers.
Bell pepper.
Yeah. Yo, what's up guys? So we made it to the top. My girlfriend's super tired right now, but we were all the way down there, like somewhere over there. Crazy. It was all uphill the way up, so if you're ever thinking about coming up here, just make sure you're okay with coming uphill, because it was a pretty good workout, if I don't say so myself. You can tell she's really tired. But anyway, so we're headed to the top. We're about to get in the car and go get some food. Yo, what's up guys? So we are headed to get food right now. It was a super fun hike. Lindsay, did you like it?
I did. It was good.
Lindsay liked it. I liked it. It was really fun. The water was perfect. It was not cold. It was, I don't know, did you think it was good?
No, it was good. It was like refreshing.
It was refreshing. It wasn't too cold and it wasn't too warm to where you felt gross. But yeah, it was super awesome. We saw tadpoles, we saw a snake, and yeah, now we're about to go get some McDonald's and lose all the exercise we just did. Anyway, we'll see you at McDonald's.